Hello everyone, it is Walt here again today. Nice cool day in the middle of April. Anyway, that's Wisconsin for you. Snowing yesterday and whatnot. Anyway, let's dive back into 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Yes. Okay, so this principle I believe is part number 46. And yeah, this principle is about spending a day alone. Alone. Yeah, so spend a day alone. What's that all about? Is that about social distancing? Yeah, well, this was written before that point, so you knowsies. What would I say about this one? Spending a day alone. So I think that isolation can be a very nice thing. I'm a fan of that, but then again, I am more of an introvert than an extrovert. Doesn't mean I can't give great speeches or shoot videos or do whatnot, but I prefer my own solace to doing other stuff with other people's that at least I don't know most of the time. I don't know. That's just me. Anyway, so I don't really, I like spending time alone. I like getting to do work that's important to me, like shooting these videos or doing some writing, doing projects that matter to me. And, that's just kind of who I am. So I would say that spending a day alone is important to know what you're thinking about things, what your desires, what your passions are. I would also say that this is one where a lot of people don't take the time to spend. Basically, you need to spend time with yourself. And when you spend time with yourself, you end up being happier overall because you figure out what you want to do, what you desire, okay? It is very hard to be happy if you don't have desire. I would say it's impossible, basically. So this has to be stuff you want, otherwise it's really hard to be happy. And on top of that, you gotta be able to believe in yourself. A lot of people tend to be negative, not helpful, not useful, all that kind of stuff. And so it's important to take the time really to spend with yourself, to have your own support, your own courage, to go after what you desire, and to figure out really what you want to do. It's also a good time to play the games you want to play, take some time off, do the things you want to do, because, people can be great for a little while, but a lot of the time they're also just can be a hassle. So yeah, that's just my take on it, but I would say spending time alone will make you happy. Obviously, don't go into complete isolation, because that will drive you insane, as many studies show, unless you're like just want to meditate all the time or something. But yeah, don't go into isolation all the time, but definitely take some time for yourself. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. I am Walt, and I will see you guys next time with our next video. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.